strangers, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today, what I'm going to be doing is going over my Birchbox for the last 2 months. I've been very behind on videos and life's just been crazy, the world's been crazy, so I just wanted to pop on really quick and do a fun unboxing with you guys for Birchbox. So I believe this is my April box, and for this one, I think I chose an item out of the different items that you can choose. I don't think I chose like a personalized box or anything. So this is the card that comes with it with all of the information. It says, for the next 10 minutes, enjoy some you time. You deserve it. So I guess that's gonna be me filming this video. So we will just go ahead and open up and see what there is to see. So there's a little card that popped out that said, in honor of our partnership with the Female Founder Collective, we asked a few women at Birchbox to pick an FFC member that they admire and to share why. So I'll read that in my free time, but this was just a little card that came with it. And we'll go off with the first item. So this is a Marcel. It looks like a CC cream. Golden Glow Complete Correction Sunscreen, Broad Sunscreen. But it's a CC cream. So I don't know why I need all of this packaging, but I will just go ahead and take it out. This is the size of the item. I've used them before. I'm not like a huge CC cream person, but it does have SPF, so it would definitely be something that I would explore using for the summer. So I also like the brand Marcel. I really like their mascara. So that is the first item in the box. The second item is a Modeling Co. Instant Brows, light to medium. This looks very interesting. I always like a new brow product because I feel like there's just so many things coming out. So it's light to medium color. And then this looks like it has a spoolie on this side. And on this side, it's just like a crayon. That's kind of the color, which I think would work for me. I definitely think that it might be a little light, but I can always use it with my other products, and it feels a little bit waxy, so I could almost use it as a gel. But I also do like that there's a spoolie at the end. I feel like you can never have like enough spoolies, especially just to quick brush through your brows. So I really like this item. I think this is full size. So the full size of the Marcel CC cream would be $34. And then this, it does say that it is full size, it would be $18. So this looks full size to me. I couldn't imagine it being bigger than that, but yeah, I really like this item. This is my favorite out of the box so far. We're getting an Oribe Split End Seal Beautiful Color Treatment. I like anything hair product. I definitely have split ends, so this is a good product to have, throw in the bag and go. The full size of this item would be $48, which that is a very hefty price for a split end sealer. So I will definitely be getting my use out of this. It says it's the first time sampling, so I've never had this product before, but I mean, I'm definitely gonna try it, but I feel like I probably wouldn't buy it because $48 is a lot for that. The next item we are getting is Dermalogica Clear Start Mattifying Moisturizer, and it's SPF 30, so that's great. I'm always looking for a moisturizer in the summer that has SPF in it, and this is great to just throw in my bag or like the pool bag or something if I ever make it to the pool or the beach or anywhere. But this is really nice to get. The full size of this item is $28. So it says a shine reducing SPF moisturizer, protects breakout prone skin from environmental stress. So I'm really excited to try this item out. I don't think I've tried anything from Dermalogica before, so that's another good item. Okay, this is in like a little Ziploc bag. Sweet orange oil. I mean, it very, very much smells like orange. I think this is just orange essential oil. So this is from Art Naturals. It's essential oil to uplift the mood and provide room with sparkling positivity. It says full size $13. I don't have an oil diffuser or anything, so I don't really know what I would do with this. If you have any ideas of what I can do with this item, please let me know in the comments below. I can always go and get a diffuser, but I really like burning incense and candles instead of oils. So I might be passing this along to a friend, but I feel like in a beauty box, that seems very weird to get an essential oil that's not really for anything. And then the last item was like a spoiler item. Usually I'd say every like 3 months they might throw in like a bonus item, but this is from their own brand called Arrow, and it is a Nourishing Lip Oil. So I'm very excited for this. I can definitely see myself, again, throwing it in the bag, using it until it's empty. It says if I were to buy the full size, it would be $16, and it has aloe, coconut oil, and shea butter. So I'm always 2 feet away from a chapstick at all times. So this is definitely something I could see myself using. So that was the first box. I think overall, my favorite item definitely was this eyebrow pencil. I'm very excited to use it. And then I think my second favorite would probably be the moisturizer, just to see how it works. But, you know, I don't know why, again, I would need orange essential oil, because I don't get it. So, I mean, if I said that like this was my 5th item, I'd be pretty happy with it. But I mean, there's really no point to that item at all. Okay, so that's that box. I did like the box design this month. I thought it was very like florally, very pretty, but I'm not here for the box design. I'm here for the products. The second one is like a yellow tie-dye, which, I mean, yeah, that's my aesthetic. So we're just gonna dig right in. And this is my May box. I haven't gotten my June box yet. Everybody needs you time, indulge a little. And then it says our clean beauty picks. So they're as effective as they are clean. So that's fun for the summer. Definitely not having any additives or anything like that in makeup is very important. So, the first item I am very excited about. This is from Daily Concepts. This is a facial scrubber. I think like in one of my other Birchbox unboxings, I unboxed this, but it was for the body, and I love that scrubber so much that I actually ordered the full size of it, and it was only $10. So I have that in my shower right now. So I'm definitely familiar with this brand, and I'm very excited that there is a facial cleanser from them. And then the thing that's special about it is on the tag, the writing fades when you need to replace it. So you don't have to like remember every 3 months or whatever. Once you notice that the writing on the tag is faded, you just get a new one. So this makes me very happy. And I also like that it's part of like the clean beauty, because I bought already another product from them. So that's very nice. So this says the full size would be $8. I think that this would have to be full size. This says travel size, which is fine. I mean, this is plenty. If it's for my face, it's plenty big. So very, very happy for this first item. Okay. The second item is from the Spotlight Circle Shine as Never Before Hair Mask. Shine as Never Before Hair Mask. This says that it's the first time sampling. Use this hair mask to boost shine and deeply condition your hair without weighing it down. So apply to damp hair after shampooing, let it soak, and then rinse. I think I could probably get like 2 or 3 uses out of this. So this is a really decent sample size for that. But yeah, I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm very excited to try it. And my hair is always so dry in the summer too, that this is like coming at the perfect time. I already see something in here. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. So this is from Kula. I love Kula. I feel like they're very pricey in their items, so I like getting them as sample sizes because I just can't spend that much on an item. But this is organic setting spray. So the full size of this is $36, which for a setting spray is a lot, right? So it says this weightless matte finish mist protects sun with broad spectrum SPF 30 while also setting the makeup. So this is really nice for summer. This is the perfect size. So maybe like the 1 or 2 times that I will be wearing makeup in the summer, this summer, I will be using this because it has SPF, but I would never spend $36 on a full size of this item just because I cannot bring myself to spend that much. Okay. One of the last items is from Wander Beauty. And I've gotten some products from Wander Beauty before, and this looks like it's gonna be like a cheek stain or a lippy or something. On the back it says double date lip and cheek. So the full size of this item would be $22, and it's a multitasking lip and cheek balm. So that's cool. And I think I did not put blush on today. So I'm gonna just go ahead and Maybe this will be better as a lip balm versus a cheek balm. But you know what? We did it on one side. I think I could make it work if I wasn't like doing 80 things right now. But I really like the texture of it. It doesn't feel like sticky or anything, like it's already off my hands. But I think that this would be really pretty as a lip color. So I don't know if I would probably use it as like a cheek balm. Maybe if I was doing like a no makeup day and wanted some like pink on my cheeks, I would. But I think that it just added a little bit of unnecessary shine to my face, and I'm happy that I'm going to be taking this makeup off soon anyway. So take it or leave it. I would definitely use this as like a lip balm. The color's really pretty, but it's not going to be my favorite item. This is like the most first world problem, and like I totally realize that. But my last item of the box is also in a Ziploc bag. And it is the same essential oil that I got 2 seconds ago. Now, first of all, I don't know, like Birchbox knows all of the products that I've gotten from them, like for years, right? So I don't know why that I would get like the same product back to back, but also I don't know why I would get an essential oil back to back, because this really isn't like a beauty product. Like I can't do anything with this. Like, so I feel like I've, you know, like what's the point? Yeah, I think that like if I look at all of the stuff like out in front of me right now, which I'll show you actually, I think that it might be, this is like my setup. But yeah, I think that like if I look at all of these items, would I spend $26 for them? I'm starting to think maybe not, especially because these essential oils I can't do anything with. So if we take these away and then we just kind of leave these products out, I don't know if I would spend $26 on these items. So I think I might have to do a little bit of soul searching to figure out what I want to do with Birchbox at this point. So yeah, I think I'm going to have to really evaluate my Birchbox, because like these two items aren't the reason that I would cancel Birchbox over it, but I feel like when I watch some of my videos back and I'm editing them, I always get into like a little bit of the slump in like the middle two items, and then it either ends on a high or ends on a low, and then I kind of talk myself into liking Birchbox. So I think I've been with them since 2014, so it's been a really long time since I've been with them, and there really isn't any like loyalty that you get with them or any deals, and you have to spend a lot of money to get discounts and become an ace and get all this stuff. So I really liked Birchbox because I was in love with their hair detangler from one of the brands that they work with, but I found one from the main club that's $18 cheaper, and I really like that one instead. So that was kind of the reason I was holding on to Birchbox for so long, is because I could use some points that I would get to the detangler for my hair. But I think now I'm just trying to get it to try new beauty items. But I think I'd rather almost seek them out on my own and make my own choices versus having somebody make the choice for me. So that's just kind of how I feel right now. And I think these two essential oils just kind of go to show, like, they really don't care that they're going to send me the same product, but also too, like, why would I want an essential oil if you're not going to even, like, I guess give me an essential oil diffuser to like use it on? So not that like they should be giving me that, but usually if they give you something, it's something that goes along with something else that they've given you. Like they give you a shampoo and conditioner. So I don't know why they would give you an essential oil and say like, have fun, you know? So I think that I'm gonna really take a look at my Birchboxes for the next couple of months and really evaluate if I want to continue with them. But I think for the last couple of months, I've just been really off the products. And I think that if everything was said and done, I would buy this on my own, and then Modeling Co. would get, you know, the money for it. And then I would probably buy this, but I guess I didn't know about the brand until Birchbox. So that is what I like, but I think that I can probably start to find beauty bloggers and beauty brands that I like on my own without being told. So I did like these two, but I think that I might be like outgrowing Birchbox to an extent, because I know what I like and I know what I don't like. So I don't want to get products that I'm not going to use or not going to like. So that was kind of my little rant on that. I mean, overall, see, I want to say overall the products were good, but you know, when looking at them, when you say I spent $26 on all this, I don't feel that good. But I think that I'm gonna have to do a little bit of like soul searching for maybe a different subscription box altogether. I've never tried Ipsy, I've never tried BoxyCharm, and I've heard that those are very good too. So also in the comments below, let me know if there's a subscription box that you'd like me to try or that you've heard of and you want me to subscribe to review. I'd be more than happy to take on a new box and probably cancel Birchbox. I really do like beauty and I like exploring the beauty community and products. So that is why I've liked Birchbox for so long, is because it does turn me on to new products that I normally wouldn't try, because I wouldn't buy this $32 Kula, but it's cool that I can, you know, at least try it out and give my opinion on it. And if I did actually absolutely love the product, I would buy it. So I really do like, you know, making my own decision, but I think that I'm hitting a point where I have so much makeup that it might not be worth it for me to continue my Birchbox subscription. But again, let me know in the comments below what you think. We're going to go ahead and take a deep dive of Birchbox probably in the next couple of months and just see where my money's been going and see if it's worth for me to continue. And hopefully the next couple of boxes really blow me away and I stick with them. But the last couple of ones I've just not been that satisfied with. And, you know, again, getting these oils just really didn't leave a good taste in my mouth. So that was my review of my 2 Birchboxes for April and May. I will be doing one for June, and then hopefully my July box comes soon and we'll be good there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. And if you like me or want to see more of me in the future, go ahead and hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye.